Hi guys, let's get this ASVAB practice question that we have here. The question says, if 40% of a number is 56, what is 75% of the same number? This is a very simple ASVAB practice question involving percentage. So from the question here, we are told that 40% of a number is 56. Do we know what the number is? We don't know. At this point, it's impossible to find 75% of the same number. For us to find 75% of the number, we first need to find out what the number is. So we are told that 40% of the number is 56. So we have to write that as an equation in order to find the number. 40% of, do we know the number? No. So let's call it x. X is 56. So 40% of the number is 56. Let's convert this to an equation. 40% can be represented as 40 over 100. So 40 over 100. Of can be represented as multiplication times x. You can represent is with an equal to sign, so 56. We can simply put here x over 1 and 56 over 1. 40 times x is going to give us 40x. 100 times 1 is going to give us 100. Is equal to 56 over 1. Going further, we simply cross multiply. 40x is going to multiply 1 to give us 40x. Equal to 100 times 56 is going to give us 5,600. Okay. Now, to get the value of x, we simply divide both sides by 40. So divided by 40, divided by 40. 40 is going to cancel out with 40. 1 0 will cancel out 1 0. 56 divided by 4 is going to give us 14. So 4 here 1, 4 here 14. When you introduce this 0 here, we have 140. So x is equal to 140. So this means the number here is 140. So now we found out what the value of the number is. We can now go ahead to find out 75% of the same number. That means 75% of 140. So 75% of 140. 75% can be written as 75 over 100. Of can be written as multiplication, and then you have 140 over 1. So if you break down 75 over 100, you're going to get 3 over 4 times 140. 4 is going to divide itself one time. 4 is going to divide 140 35 times. So at the end, we have 3 times 35, which gives us 105. So that means the number we are looking for in this question is 105. Very simple. Hope you understood the lesson. If you are preparing for the ASVAB test and you need one-to-one tutoring, send me a message using the email in the description and we'll get talking. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you in the next one.